This is my plain, I had my makeup, these palettes, these two inside here, but it's like really ugly already, so I decided that I'm gonna add this background on there, and I already glued one part of it, so we're gonna go in and to the other side, to this side, and see see how it turns out to be. Today I am recording with holding my phone and everything for this reason that I wasn't planning to recording. And I have my little baby girl sleeping in my arms, barely falling asleep, so just decided to do it just this way. So what I'm using is the E600 in white. So what you're gonna do is apply glue, obviously. So let's see if I can with one hand. So apply glue in here, and then I'll apply glue right here, all around the side, like all around the side, right there, and then there, and then there, there. And then just go all around. You want it to glue actually look really good. Make sure you have all the sides, you know, really good in there. Once you have that, you're gonna go and press it, and press it real good. So once you have that pressed real good, you're gonna let it dry for a while. Okay, so then you have something like this. I'm still not done. I'm still gonna do other stuff to it. So we're gonna open it. Oh, you're gonna make sure it's glued right. So it takes like, it says like it takes from what, like 72 hours, 24 to 72 hours, somewhere in there. Till 72 hours, as you see. 24 hours for. So it takes a while, but obviously we're not gonna wait that time because, you know. But I'm gonna show you. So guys, I just finished doing this. So what I did, I added sparkles on the side, as you can see, and I added sparkles on here and in the back. So let's get to finishing this. Okay, so once we finish doing this, obviously we're gonna work on the inside. So we're gonna do an inside. We're gonna put these palettes.
I don't know what you're talking about. My dad and I are just headed to Santa Fe to sell our unique collection of turquoise jewelry. You know,
we're just gonna put these in here. So, we're gonna glue these in here. I'm pretty sure you could use this as a notebook too. It looks really awesome, like as a little notebook. But okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put hot glue on these, on the palette thingy. So I'm just gonna put hot glue there, hot glue there, right there, right there, and then I'm just gonna set this there. I'll try to set it as perfectly as I can. And then I'm just gonna try to squeeze it with this, so it could be perfectly fit to it. I'm trying to squeeze it in here. Okay, once you have that done, obviously you want to let it dry. you want to let this dry, obviously. And then we're going to add the other side. So this is the other side. You can add it in here too. So I'm going to go grab the glue again and just press in here and drop it. Press in here and drop it. And then press in here and drop it. Over here too. And in the middle again, remember, you have to really press on there. And then next thing you want to do is put the other palette in there. Right there, and squish it down, and then obviously close it again so you could get it really shut really good. Shut it real good so it could stick in there. And I was thinking I'm gonna add like a little, probably like something that will like in here. I'm not sure. So we have this. We have this finished on both sides, and we have the outside and everything really pretty. You know, I was thinking that in the middle, I'm gonna put my name on there. You know, it's my little thingy. I was thinking of adding more stuff in here, but I'm not sure yet. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And yeah, you guys, this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share the video. Bye.